Hello and welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today I want to share an easy recipe for pastry with potatoes and vegetables. To be informed about my new recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications by pressing the bell icon. Let's chop 2 medium-sized potatoes on the cutting board as thinly as possible, as you see in the video. Let's chop 1 red bell pepper thinly in the same way. Let's also chop 2 to 3 green peppers thinly. Remove and set aside the seeds from 2 medium-sized tomatoes. I am removing the seeds so that it doesn't make our pastry watery. Let's also chop the tomatoes into small pieces and prepare them. Let's also chop 2 green onions thinly. Let's chop a few sprigs of parsley even more finely. Our vegetables are ready. Then, into the mixing bowl, add 4 eggs, 1 glass of liquid oil, 1.5 glasses of milk. Add enough salt and black pepper and mix with a whisk. Then add 3.5 glasses of flour, using a standard glass measurement. Add 2 packets of baking powder and mix thoroughly again. Add approximately 50 grams of diced feta cheese on top. Take the vegetables that we chopped and prepared earlier. Mix thoroughly again. Our vegetable pastry mixture is ready. I greased the rectangular glass baking dish. Grease it thoroughly, making sure it covers all sides. I sprinkled a little flour on top so the pastry wouldn't stick. Pour our pastry mixture over it. Sprinkle some grated cheddar cheese on top. Then bake in the middle rack, 1 shelf below the center, of a 180-degree oven until the top is browned. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. Then check if our pastry is cooked with a knife or a toothpick and remove it from the oven. Serve our pastry hot. Good luck to those who will try it. Enjoy your meal. I look forward to your likes and comments. Thank you for watching my video.